On this episode of 3, 4, or 5 minute transmissions, we're going to be doing a 2016 Ford Explorer. I started out with 2-minute transmissions. It just doesn't seem like it's quite enough time to get all the important stuff included. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 3, 4, or 5 minute transmission, depending on the vehicle. All right, guys, I'm working on this 2016 Ford Explorer. I got the top done. Just like the Escapes, there's 3 bell bolts. There's one there, one here, there's one down there near the starter. The center one is a studded one. I took all 4 of these 15s off. First, I had to remove this plastic piece. This was slid into there. I took the top of the air box cover off, and I just folded this hose out of the way. As long as it's not dry rotted, you'll be in good shape. I removed the shifter cable. Those were 10 millimeters. And I removed the line bolt from this front line right there. You can see the order I took the stuff off. Battery, this little piece, the 15s, the shifter bracket, then the bell bolts, then the line. I also got the top starter bolt is right through there. I took it out while I was up here. And go ahead and take this hose off of that bottom pipe so you don't have to do it from down below. The plastic just pulls out towards the motor. All right, guys, here's what it looks like before I pull the cross member out. That's how I got the control arms and the axles out. Same thing over here. And then I took this mount out. And then there's rack bolts that are 18 millimeter. And the hardest part was I had to put heat right down here for those sway bar bolts. There's the sway bar bolts. Like I said, I heated those nuts up underneath. One issue I had was 2 of these damn drive shaft bolts broke off in the yoke for the T-case there. I'm gonna have to heat those up and get those studs removed and get some new bolts. I mean, all these bolts came out super hard. All the T-case bolts came out hard. I took this little bracket off of here. There's 15s here, 13s here. There's the axle. I had to pry it out a little bit. You can see the 2 13s that held it on. But time to pull that T-case out of there. I got my 13, I got my 18. All right, I got my jack under it. I'm gonna try to just lower it down to get these, or maybe I can pull it with this on there. I'm gonna try to pull it with that bracket on there. I normally pull that off, but I'm gonna try to pull it with it on there. It's stuck on there. It's coming out now. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to support my channel. I'm going to stick a couple videos up over here. If you could check them out, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.